finished product.
That is nice. Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
That is nice. Nice and
You got the gradient in the wood look. You know, you got the texture on the tree. You got the ADA dot.
that detail,
You know,
yes.
What is your, did you use an EX or a 25?
You ready? Hey guys, welcome back. We are still at the ISA Orlando Expo. It's been an amazing day. Everybody has been so kind. The content has been good. We played Mimaki Feud. All types of things has been going on. We're gonna go ahead and end it here with our friends at PDS. You guys know, and we'll be ending it tonight because we're going to be going to the VIP party at the PDS equipment. Yes, sir. Yes, we are doing.
Steve here?
Huh?
Steve,
yeah, he's right over there.
He's right here.
No, that's not Steve. He's in the gray shirt.
Steve's wife's right there.
With the gray shirt?
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Steve is the man. All right, so we are here with our friends at PDS. Of course, they do the UJF printers, UV printers. So these are just a couple of things that it can, UV flatbeds. These are just a couple of things that they can do.
Oh, wow.
They can print on top of these little fishies. They can create these. Look at that. That's the printer. They can create this. They can print this, and then you use a Trotec laser to cut it out. These are also some of the things that it can do. It can do this layering effect. If you can see that image in the back, and then they layer these things on top with the clear ink, because you can feel that texture there. You can go on mugs. You can put a mean mug puppy on a mug. Wine bottles for your wedding planners. Shout out to, I forgot the guy's name. With the wedding, you can print wedding photos. There's so many different things that you can do. They have these braille signs here. Create braille signs here. Look at these cards. I know they did these cards. Look at that. Amazing. These are some of the other things that they can also do. Excuse me, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. If you can see, these UV flatbed printers are amazing. They can do such an amazing amount of things. So please reach out to PDS if you're interested. And let me see, did you want to go down there, honey? Look at that. Look at this. Golf balls.
I don't stock vinyl here. So everything is printed on screen.
So here we have the UJF, I can't see the name. Here, it looks like they were doing some cups right here. They just print directly on those cups, and then you can set up several and just knock them all out at one time. So if you see here, that kind of looks like the RIP software is set up there for the number of cups. Things that you can do with this printer is amazing. What else? The gradients, the colors. Ooh, I need this one here. Look at that. Beautiful. So if you're interested, you can contact PDS. You can contact Steve. He's a little busy right now, but he is the man and he can get you set up in any machine that you need. All right, so we are here with Mr. Doug here at PDS, and he's gonna show us some quick information about what these amazing machines can do.
So with the UV process, you can build the ink up in layers. So since we can build the ink up in layers, we can create a braille dot. And it is ADA compliant. And on a 16.5 by 24 inch bed, I can print a full bed of these in about 50 minutes.
Wow.
The margin on these is, anywhere from $40 to $60
Per sign?
per sign.
Oh, wow.
So it's great margin, easy to do. And I would encourage anybody that's looking at UV printing or has a UV printer, explore it and see if you got a customer base for it. It's a brand new revenue stream.
Yes. It'll
Right.
definitely make you some money.
Definitely make you some money.
And that's what we're all about in 2024.
That's right.
Investing on something that'll make us some money.
That's right, 100%. If it don't make money, it don't make sense.
It sure does. And we'll end it on that. Thank you, Mr. Doug.
Thank you.